I like it. Oh my goodness. I know, right? Can't wait. So this is basically a bacon wrapped lollipop chicken. I'm gonna serve it with a Creole Rice. The rice, I'll have a link in the description how to make that. But the chicken, boy, this is a challenge. Why you say that, Chef? Because they're just getting the prep part. I mean, watch, like getting this prep part was a beast. So basically what you want to do is you want to cut when you want to go along the bone when it's about to go to a raise, in a sense. That's where you want to start cutting all the way around. When you cut all the way around, you want to then pull it. Go ahead and say it. I dare you. Shut up. Go ahead, shut up. You want to pull the meat down and slide it down, and then shut up. Shut up. Anyway, slide it down and then cut the tendons, and then use a linen or a cloth to pull the edge of the little piece on the edge off of the bone. Jeez. It's not fun anymore. Yes, it is. Anyway, can we move on? Thank you. Okay, sorry. Jeez. All right. As you see, I did a few. Showed you how to do it. Now, with the bacon wrap, basically you want to do a drape over and cross. Just like you wrapping around your neck to do a tie, I guess. Oh, what else? Maybe like I don't know. It's just a drape over. Jeez, look, watch it. Sorry, jeez. Anyway, drape it over, and once you drape it over and everything, you want to pretty much reverse that same action from the bottom. Boy, so you just don't have no better words you can use? No. Won't you shut up and be mature? Dang, bruh. Anyway, once you do that, we want to bake it. You know what? I'm about to go bake. I'll be back. Jeez. No, he ain't gonna be in his right mind when he come back to finish this. No. You don't know me. Shut up. Anyway, bake it while I bake for about 20 minutes or so on 300. And then we'll throw it in some grease and you know, let the kids get in the pool. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, yeah, thank you. I told you it was going to be in his right mind. After you do that, you let that brown get a little red. Boy, so you think you're funny, yeah. Anyway, you crush the bacon to your liking. And like I said, I have the rice recipe in the description. Au revoir.